Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to reset a Dell laptop from Windows 10 settings. Step 1. Search for reset from the start menu and select reset this PC when you see the option in the result. Step 2. Under reset this PC, select get started. Step 3. Select remove everything to wipe the Dell laptop clean and reinstall Windows. This step is the nuclear option as it removes your files, all custom settings and any apps your PC manufacturer installed. Alternatively, select keep my files to reinstall Windows and keep your personal files like videos, documents, images, desktop items, etc. Step 4. When asked how to download the OS, select cloud download if you are connected to the internet. Cloud download is helpful if your local copy of Windows is corrupted. Otherwise, choose local reinstall to reinstall Windows from your device. This option makes for a faster installation and does not require an active internet connection. Step 5. Select change settings for additional options. Step 6. Toggle on the switch for clean data to have Windows wipe everything on the drive securely and reduce the chances of data recovery. This process will take time but will make any sensitive data unrecoverable. It's not necessary if you don't plan to give away your laptop. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the reset process. It can take an hour or more and your computer will restart a few times before it's all finished. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.